Leon County in Big Bend.
I know.
Eastern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia. Grady County in southwestern Georgia. Southern Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia. South Central Baker County in southwestern
Somebody
Georgia.
help me.
Northwestern Thomas County in Georgia until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
National Weather
Thunderstorm
Service
was located near Havana, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust.
Even though this didn't get it.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Havana, Kilo,
The
Pella,
first warning
Camilla,
on this.
Wigan,
It's gotten all
Anacostia,
three now.
Climax, Fremont, Kibble, Darcy, Florence, Jameson, Cotton, Harold Still, Lakecat, Calvary, Princess Still, People Still, Amsterdam.
People still. What?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Gadsden and Leon. And the following counties. In Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Thomas.
259, what are you doing?
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 86, effective until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh, we got another.
10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties. In Florida, Calhoun, Franklin, Gadsden,
Oh, we got Calhoun.
Jackson, Leon, Liberty, and Rockville.
Oh, we
And
got
the
another
following
tornado
counties.
watch.
In Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Seminole. And the following coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out to